Hello friends, we're working with a wonderful pineapple today, and we're using the Wallaby Creamy Australian Low-Fat Vanilla Yogurt. And pineapple contains a wonderful proteolytic enzyme called bromelain. And bromelain helps digest food by breaking down protein. And bromelain also has an anti-inflammatory, anti-clotting, and anti-cancer property to it. And studies have shown that consumption of pineapple regularly helps fight against arthritis, indigestion, and worm infestation in humans and animals. So fresh pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin C, and this vitamin C is required for the collagen synthesis in the body. And collagen is the main structural protein in the body required for maintaining the integrity of blood vessels. I'm going to overdo this here. And that is in the skin, organs, and bones. So regular consumptions of food rich in vitamin C helps the body. And it's great for boosting the immunity and everything. I mean, I would be all day talking about how good pineapple is, and it's very low in calories. And I'm using some pineapple, and it's in juice, and this is not very sweet. So I'm going to add some raw agave, just a little, to our pineapple. And the next step is, I'm using a short grain rice here, and I put a little extra water in it to make it really nice. So there is our rice. I didn't use a long grain, I used a short, which works best in this little dessert recipe. Rice in each cup. Next comes our next step. And this is the third layer. And I'm using the Wallaby Organic Vanilla Australian style low-fat yogurt. So I'm just going to generously put the portions on the side. And this is delicious. And it's a light yogurt. And if you could smell this, you would see exactly what I'm talking about. Put it around the sides of the rice. And we're going to top this with a little bit of ground nutmeg. Just a little. You don't need a lot because nutmeg can be overpowering. Just a little. Make it nice and pretty. And just going to put a few of them on top. Little pineapple chunks on top here. You could add cherry if you want, but I do not have any cherries at this time to put on there. So I'm just going to make it like this. And the nutmeg will give it just a little color that we need. That's beautiful. And your guests can stir this up and eat it. Isn't that lovely? And we're just going to take a little bit more of our agave. Give that little swirl there, drizzle of agave. And agave is a low glycemic product. Gonna be a little generous. Ah, there we go. And I'm using the Sunshine Pineapple Tidbits today. That's it. And this is the consistency of the rice that I am using. And you don't want to use it hot, you just want to let it stand for a little while. See that? It's a nice consistency to it. And that is it. This is very simple to make. It only takes just a few minutes to make.